I'm going to tell you some do's and don'ts for the surgery rotation, particularly if you're going May pen. However, it should work for just about any rotation basically. Alright, so first things first, eat breakfast. Do not go to the hospital hungry because you don't know when you're gonna get a chance to eat. Luckily for me today, I didn't eat breakfast because I was late because at 6:30 I was still putting on my clothes. But I didn't eat breakfast, and that was horrible for me because halfway through the morning I was tired, I was groggy, it was hot, I was upset, I was angry, every emotion that comes after being hungry. So make sure you have a good breakfast. If you're not gonna eat breakfast at home, bring something with you, bring snacks, bring juice, bring something, but make sure you have a morning meal. Secondly, travel light. Do not bring a big bag with your textbooks and your notebooks and your pens, your pencil case, your geometry set. Don't bring all of that. You literally do, at most you will need a small notebook like this, maybe a little bit bigger, but this is fine for me, to just jot things down. You don't have time, you're not gonna, nobody's dictating anything to you, you don't have any time to write any long epistle, nobody's explaining anything. Just write down something so that when you go home you can look at it. You don't need to walk with your 5 subject meet notebook, you don't need to do that. Just travel light, bring what you need. If you're a female, bring a little napkins and stuff just in case you have a little something. Bring wipes, bring sanitizer, just bring the essentials. If you don't need it, don't bring it. There's nowhere to put it because literally today we had to put our bags down, and even though we had small bags, there's literally nowhere to put your stuff because we don't work there, we don't have lockers. So don't bring your whole house behind you. Bring money, especially if you're going to a peripheral hospital or somewhere that you don't know. Bring money, don't bring card. I brought card and hope to see an ATM. Let me tell you from now, there's no ATM on the hospital compound. There is a place out front that sells food. I haven't bought food there yet. What happened is I actually ordered food from this lady. They gave us her number when we got to the students lounge. Well, it wasn't really the students lounge, it was the people in lounge, but students were in there. But bring cash, that way it will be easy for you to get stuff if you see stuff that you need. So pack lunch and bring water or juice. Don't bring a whole big gallon bottle, just bring something that can last you throughout the day. As I said, the day isn't long, you're just there from 8:30 to about 2 o'clock. You don't need to bring the whole world with you, but just bring what you know would make you comfortable. Next thing, if you're on surgery, pack scrubs. They will tell you what days are surgery days. For us, I think surgery days are Mondays and Thursdays, but even if it's your first day, walk with scrubs. You might never know what might happen. I haven't seen a surgery yet, but I really want to see a surgery, so just make sure you walk with your scrubs and respectable shoes. I'll tell you guys more about that when I get there. Don't be late for the bus if you're leaving to go to Mapen from UE. The bus will leave you. The bus will leave you, so don't be late. Read Wayne's notes. So Wayne's notes is a PDF document of notes compiled by, I'm gonna believe his name is Wayne, or some other students in years above us. It's really great. It's really compact. It's really good. It's a really good read, like on your way to school. So it's not very long, it just has like bullet points. It's a really good read, so yeah, read Wayne's notes. The book that's recommended for surgery is Browse's Surgery. Browse's, I'll put a picture of it here. Yeah, Browse. Read that, and please wear comfortable shoes and comfortable clothes. Be comfortable, so don't go out there in an artist outfit. It don't make no sense. Just be comfortable and be modest and wear good shoes. If you know that the shoes that you're going to wear, you have it's gonna give you a contour, don't bother wear something soft. If you're a girl and you have those I don't know what they're called, it's a jelly bean Crocs, the medical looking one that everybody wears. I wore them today and they were really comfortable. I still had pain, at the end of the day, but it was comfortable. So I'm not sure what kind of shoes guys wear, but just wear whatever shoe makes you feel comfortable. Don't go wearing a high heels, obviously not, but just be comfortable. And if you're also going to Maypen, please put data on your phone if you're going to need data, because there is no Wi-Fi. I mean, there is Wi-Fi there. I'm not sure how reliable it is. I've asked about 3 people. Nobody knew the password. So to be safe, if you really need to like really search something up really quickly, just get a mobile data plan if you can afford to, or just walk with your Wayne's notes, download it so you can search if anything. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the information or if you benefited in any way, please comment down below what you liked, and also don't forget to share the information with a friend or your med sibling or somebody who might want to go to Maypen for surgery. Just share this playlist with them so that they can see what happens or hear from me what happens at Maypen for surgery. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to believe in yourself.